Greetings! If you wish to add or replace audio in a video, VLC Player allows you to add an external audio track to your video. Open the VLC Media Player. Go to Media and click Open Multiple Files. On the File tab, click Add. Locate and load the target video. Tick Show More Options. Also tick Play another media synchronously. Click Browse. On the File tab, click Add. Locate and load the audio file. Click Select, then Play to close. The external audio has been added. Right-click in the player. Go to Audio, Audio Track. Change the track to observe the effect.